guys! Welcome back to my channel and yours truly, Jofer Escapisin. At may gagawin ako today, requested by Crazy Cadaves. Office mate ko din siya dati, katulad ni Tetay. At ang request niya is no makeup tutorial. So, it's very confusing na no makeup, pero magme-makeup ka. Alam mo yun, parang magiging walang changes, magiging fresh siguro. Hanggang ngayon, iniisip ko pa din kung paano siya gawin, pero let's see. Sana magustuhan nyo guys, okay? So, di ba fresh? Okay, so guys, ito na nga yung no makeup tutorial, okay? And kung paano ko siya ginawa, watch this video, okay? Until the very end. Until the very end. Okay, so ito nga siya. Ayan. Diba? Parang just walk up lang ang peg.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Just walk up makeup. Okay, so thank you so much for watching guys. I love you all. Tsaka kung gusto nyo mag-subscribe for more videos from me, please click the subscribe button below. Okay? So, ito na nga yung no makeup tutorial. But fresh lang. Ang tip ko lang naman sa inyo guys is maghanap kayo ng foundation na kasing kulay ng skin tone nyo. Okay, so ayan. Ito na yun. No makeup tutorial. Bye! Love ya!